Hello guys, good afternoon guys. So dito kami sa Bahrain. So ito yung terminal. Ito yung terminal, very old terminal. As you can see outside, it's a little bit rusty there. It's a little bit older. And this is, we have besides, we have these big ships loading gas well. And this is our ship. This part of the ship, this is forward and the midship. You can see it's midship crane, manifold area, and you can see there it's building there. I see as a bridge one, and then the other part you can see another terminal. See, there was a big ship there. Okay, I see. Uh, so we are only in the island. As you can see there's like a gangway. It's like a dolphin. You're loading naphtha, and we will discharge this to Singapore. Go to Singapore. Okay guys, thank you for watching.